It's so pressed like too.
Try this.
That's really hot.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
We always pass your store.
Yeah, I open Tuesday to Saturday. When it's Monday, I'm closed.
Mm.
Yeah, you can follow me on Facebook. That's how you can know our schedule and our menu for the day because we have different menu every day. But my fried rice is since it's very seasonable and my adobo, that is every day.
Mm-hmm.
Double
And my
soup.
pancit, yeah.
Thank you.
Because it's not requested. And yesterday I have chicken in the sun.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you very much.
You should try this. It's not spicy.
Look at that hungry now. It's a lot of food. Take it home.
Oh yeah? You cook something different every day?
Every day, kasi nag-gain sila ng hindi gain weight.
Saan ka sa atin?
Ang Manila po, pero Bisaya pero
Kapag ako.
the place where the pinak, the Pampanga, lives there. Doon ang pinak namin sa Pampanga.
Sa Pampanga. Sa Pampanga.
Asa?
What's called Casa?
Kasi it's like a old place.
Yeah, I'm Filipino.
Parang famous siya doon eh, sa Pampanga. Nakasusot niya na siya.
Ano po yun? Serenation na tayo.
Bakal. Yung papaano nga, napapatulong sa gumawa yung kapatid ng stepdad niya. Ito, gagawa kami po sa Malaysia ingredients.
Pero pa tayo nasa? Sorry.
Pero sa akin naman kasi kung nag-cheese.
Cheese? Ang nilalagay ng cheese?
Pero sa business, masyado naman yun. Hindi na pang business sa cheese.
O siyempre kasi sa akin, people find out ako.
Ang dami yung dami tayong story dito sa US eh. May mga vlog.
Casa Cielo?
Casa Cielo, yeah.
Oo, I know this.
Pero Sone. Casa Sone.
Para sa Salome. There's no traffic.
No traffic. It's more open.
Yeah.
Countryside.
Walang traffic unlike sa Quincy. Kasi city ako eh.
Traffic sa...
Sobra. Muntik nga siya makasada sa utak ng tao.
Oh. You have to be very defensive driving when it comes to driving
Are you
Manila.
telling them bad driver?
Yeah, you almost kill 3 people. Yung Manila.
Twice.
Twice.
Tumatawid kasi sila ng pedestrian lane. Kaya
Yes,
nagkulat siya eh.
yes.
The second one, we're doing a U-turn. It was dark. No lights. And they were all wearing black outfits.
Luneta.
Yeah.
Couldn't see them until we
Yeah.
were done the turn. I was like,
That's Luneta.
ah.
Oh, goodness, yeah.
Luneta yan.
Luneta.
Yung mga badyaw na biglang tumatawid.
Oh, those are Bajau people. They live in very, very remote area of Mindanao. And they don't have any knowledge about, you know, they're even no read, no write.
Buwan-buwan ako pinupuntahan nito dun eh.
Oh, yes, yes.
Kasi yung ano, yung mga pinhag. Kasi yung trabaho niya nandito, di ba? Retired military siya, tapos nasa-contractor siya ngayon. Trabaho niya lang parang umuwi.
She always tells everyone I'm a bad driver.
Oh, no, she's not actually telling me you're a bad driver. She's not telling me that.
Oh.
Yeah.
She was telling me
That
that
you almost failed, yeah.
you almost. That's
You
what she was
almost
That's a
telling
bad
me.
driver.
No, no.
She tells everyone that story.
Do not misunderstand that. It's the fault of other Filipino that you. If you're not defensive driver, you already killed them, right?
Yeah.
So you're not a bad driver.
Tapos
You
nakita
are
niya,
very defensive
tapos
driver.
nakita niya baka,
That's the, you know, look at the opposite side.
She was on
tapos
my side.
nakita niya yung mga traffic enforcer na buwan.
See?
See?
She's on my side.
Yeah, I'm on your side. Yeah. It's others people. They don't follow the rules. They don't follow, even though there's a pedestrian, they will hold you like that and then pass by. I know Filipino. So don't blame yourself. Think that you're a good driver.
Maraming Pilipino dito.
Yes, so many Filipino.
Gusto sa amin, ako malabas eh. Disney princess ako, wala akong trabaho. Sabi ko nga sa akin, sabi ng mga kaibigan ko, nagtrabaho ko dito. Disney princess.
Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Los Angeles is it's Los Angeles. When you leave Los Angeles, it's just open road.
Yeah.
Boring. I was like, I don't want to live here. It's so boring. I was like, it gets better. There's more things.
It's like when I first moved here. I said I'm gonna die here. I feel bored.
Nagkasawa ka rin dito, eh?
No, I came here 2018. And because I have a business going on in the Philippines, I am making tuxedos, wedding dresses.
Oh,
different
no.
kinds of content. When I came here, I found it like, I don't like this place. It's boring.
Until now, pinagpatuloy mo yung business mo na yun.
Pinuntuan ko nung namatay ko sa akin. Namatay siya dito. Filipino sa akin.
Ako nga sabi ko, hindi mo na kumakaano sa apam. Hindi ko malakas ako sa hapon. Pero ito kasi binasag-basag ko na no. Parang yayabang yung mga kanong kayo, ganun eh.
This is Idaho though. It's a lot slower here than most places.
Yeah.
Ito yung story nila guys.